CRC Worldviews and News. Important news about Christians worldwide. Today is the 24th of May 2025. The European Union has lifted the economic sanctions imposed on Syria, including basic construction work, job opportunities, public education and health measures. The new government will be provided with assistance for the development and rehabilitation of the people so that Syria can overcome its current problems. Eric Monk said that after the talks between the United States and Russia, news of a ceasefire was received. Educational institutions, health institutions and other public institutions in Ukraine and many basic facilities were closed. People affected by the war were transferred to shelters and orphanages. In all these situations, people should remain faithful to the Christian faith. And it is hoped that peace will also remain. Jason Wilfred said that people in South Africa who have Bibles or other Christian books in their homes, and no one is using them, should donate these books so that people who come to their libraries can read them. Hadi Gami said that Iran is an Islamic republic. Christians are afraid there. Pressure from the authorities is a big obstacle while worshipping. People have to hide their Christian identity. Cases are unfairly decided in illegal kangaroo courts. Property of Christians is seized by fraud. A violent and brutal life that is locked behind bars for years. A Christian woman from Nigeria, Zainab, was imprisoned on false charges of sedition for spreading Christianity and not accepting Islam, then tortured, when she remained steadfast in her Christian faith. She was sentenced to death on false charges. Mathalap, a Christian leader in Kenya, says that unity among Christians is very important. Other religions that hate us attack the important ones individually. When we unite, we will be able to work together for our own protection. Miriam said that in Iraq, ISIS people search for Christians and then pressure them to convert to Islam. She was kidnapped along with her family, threatened with death, but still they remain steadfast in their faith. Now they are in American asylum and hopeful for peace. Abdul said that Christians in Somalia are living in the most dangerous environment. Christians worship God secretly in closed rooms. Abdul was also subjected to torture for preaching the Christian faith. His arm was broken and he suffered deep wounds on his face, but now he remains steadfast in his faith. Adam Saleh said that during the civil war in Yemen, the Houthi rebels search for Christians. His entire family was killed by the attackers. The attackers also left him for dead. But he was given a chance to escape. Now he is in American asylum. Saifu Mahdi said that he was arrested in Libya for his Christian faith and sentenced to death for his Christian preaching. When he pleaded for mercy, they tried to force him to convert to Islam, but he remained steadfast in his Christian faith. If you liked our video and want to watch more, subscribe our channel. A reliable source of information, stay connected with CRC News.